Hi guys. So we have notes on range right now. I have a whole section for those. I believe they're under Tuesday. So today's Wednesday, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get these videos put up about mean, median, and mode. Okay. And if you recall, in the last video, I talked about if you're given a data set, and a data set is literally just a group of numbers. So for instance, if I want to go ahead and create the data set, okay, there's my data set. It's not in order, it's no particular set of numbers, just something I made up off the top of my head. Okay, so this is my data set. First thing I'm going to do before I do anything else, just to make my life easier all the way around, is I'm going to go ahead and put that data now in order from least to greatest. Because these numbers in random order like this really doesn't help me with anything at all. Okay, so I'm just going to number it least to greatest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. And I like to go back and either while I'm doing it or after I'm done putting them in order, go back and cross everything off from the original set so that way I make sure I don't miss any numbers. Especially if you have duplicate numbers, sometimes it can get a little confusing. So I see 1, cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. Okay, so I have all my data in my now ordered data set from least to greatest. Now I want to go ahead and find the median. Okay, so median is always kind of tricky when you're talking about statistics. We have all these different vocabulary words. We have median, we have mode, and we have, if my pen will work, and we have mean. Okay, you usually hear mean, median, and mode. Okay, well, the mean, if you guys recall, is another way of saying the average. Okay, the average. The mode is the one that occurs the most, and the median, that's green. The median is the one in the middle. Okay, and the easiest way for me to remember these things is the word median has a D in the middle, just like the word middle has a D in the middle. Mode starts with mo, same, so does most. And if I'm being completely honest, mean is just the one that's left, so that's the average. But if you really wanted to, you could say mean has an A in it. I don't know. Average starts with A. Whatever works for you. That's how I remember these things. I also tend to remember that mean. Well, I don't like to be mean. I don't like people who are mean. I also don't usually like to find the average of things. So the mean is the average. It's the one thing I don't like to do. Okay. Anyways, however it works best for you. That's how I remember it. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to find the median. And then in the next video, I'll go ahead and show you how to find the mode and the mean. Okay. Just for time's sake. Okay. So median is the number in the middle. So for the median, you are literally going to just find the middle number of the data set, if you guys recall. Okay, so I'm literally just going to cross off one on this side, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side. I have two numbers in the middle. It kind of becomes a little tricky. So if you have two numbers, what you're going to do is you're going to add them together. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And then you're going to divide it by 2 because you have two numbers. You're just trying to find the average. So my median of this data set is 3.5.